So, why settle the case at the 11th hour, and why settle for only a fraction of what the counties were asking for in court? 5 on your side investigator Scott Knoll here now with a closer look at what the deal actually is.
Rob, Cuyahoga County leaders say it all really came down to time. Even if they were awarded the full $8 billion the lawsuit asked for, that case could have been tied up in appeals for years. Outside the federal courthouse in Cleveland, as lawyers announced the latest mark on the nation's timeline in the opioid crisis, an admission today.
No, it's definitely not adequate for all the things that need to be done to fix this problem.
What local leaders say today's settlement is hope.
I think it's the start, literally, for the road to recovery for the people within our county.
Combined, the settlement means $260 million in cash and drugs to fight addiction. And that money now is something Case Western Reserve law professor Andrew Paulus calls valuable.
I'm hoping that they will put that money to use in a way that will actually deliver much needed services to people who are combating opioid addiction, and not just the addiction itself, but the myriad related problems that afflict individuals and families when a person suffers from an addiction. It's devastating.
It's why he says it's crucial the community watches how the money is spent to make sure the settlement delivers that hope and doesn't just help balance local budgets.
They have said from the beginning that they needed this money to address this crisis. Well, they gosh darn better well use it to address this crisis.
Cuyahoga County Council will introduce a bill tomorrow to set up a dedicated fund for the settlement money. It specifically calls for all funds in it to go toward the county's opioid epidemic. Reporting live on 5 on your side, investigator Scott Knoll.